Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, thefinance.com. So let's move on to the video. Welcome to the future of home cleaning. Today we are diving into a cutting edge concept that might just change the way we hire and pay for cleaning services. Cryptocurrency, it's a term likely heard of, but how could it really make a difference in an industry as practical and everyday as home cleaning? Okay, well, let's explore how this digital money could streamline service, improve customer experience, and even make businesses more efficient. And we will do all this without diving deep into complex financial jargon, just the fact and the existence possibilities. Okay, so to understand how cryptocurrency can impact, how cryptocurrency can impact the home cleaning industry, it's important to first know what cryptocurrency is. Simple put, cryptocurrency are digital or virtual currency that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, they operate on decentralized network known as blockchain. This means there is no central authority like banks or government involved in regulating transactions. Now, why is this important for cleaning services? Because this new type of payment system offer unique advantages that can perhaps the way home workers, and service provider connect, pay, and even build trust. But how does this work in the real world, especially in industry like home cleaning? Let's break it down. Okay, let's begin with one of the most direct impact of cryptocurrency on the home cleaning industry, payments. We all know that paying for a cleaning services involving a bit of a process, whether it's credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Traditional payment method often involve extra time or additional fees. When you pay with cryptocurrency through transactions can be almost intensious, and because cryptocurrency operates outside of traditional finance institute, they bypass many of the association fees. No more paying extra for debit card process or waiting days for a bank transfer to clear. Okay, let's say you are booking a cleaner for your home and you want to pay instantly without dealing with delay process time. A home you can say yeah, a homeowner could easily send cryptocurrency as payment directly to a service provider. This could make a huge difference for cleaning business that want to keep their operations quick and efficient. No more waiting for payment to clear before getting a work. Okay, and another area where cryptocurrency shines is in international transactions. Think about this cleaning business that offers to client in different countries, or maybe your homeowner who's using a cleaning service while living abroad. Typically, international payment required currency conversion, additional fees, and lengthy process time. Cryptocurrency eliminate these barriers with a decentralized digital currency. A cleaning business in one part of the world can receive payment from client anywhere without worrying about exchange rate or international transaction fee. Imagine a client in the United States hiring a cleaning company based in Spain. With cryptocurrency, they can pay for the service directly and the transaction will be processed quick and smoothly. No extra step, no hassle. Okay, and the next thing is trust and transparency through blockchain. Okay, but cryptocurrency is not just about fast payment, it also offer a unique way to build trust between homeowner and cleaning company. Here's how blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrency, is a public ledger that records every transaction. This ledger is open for all parties involved to see. What does this mean for the home cleaning industry. It means that every payment made, whether it's a one-time service or part of a recurring cleaning schedules, can be tracked transparent. But this build trust between homeowner and the cleaning company. Both parties can see the payment or the processed and receive correctly without ambiguity or confusions. For cleaning business, having clear record can help in managing accounting and tax filing. It makes everything much easier to track and reduce the chances of human error or dispute over payment histories. For customer, knowing that the payment history is available for both parties to see might provide an added sense of security, especially when hiring from an unfamiliar companies. Okay, now the next thing is reward program and customer loyalty. Okay, now we've all seen the power of loyalty program in other industries. Get point for every purchase, redeem them for reward. Cryptocurrency could revolve, or you can say this program in the cleaning industries as well. Imagine that instead of earning loyalty points with a credit card or other or you can say traditional reward system, customer receive digital token or cryptocurrency from the cleaning company itself for every cleaning service customer books. They receive a small portion of cryptocurrency in return. Over time, this token can add up, allowing customer to redeem them for discount, free services or exclusive deals. This approach can help cleaning business retain customers and incentives repeat business. It also an opportunity for company to stand out in a competitive market by offering a modern and tech savvy loyalty program that appeals to a new generation of customer. Okay, now the next point is enhanced security and reduce fraud. Security is a significant concern for both homeowner and cleaning company. That use for credit card or you can say debit card online can leave both parties vulnerable to fraud or identity theft. Cryptocurrency, however, offer a more secure alternative. Cryptocurrency transactions are encrypted and immutable. Once a payment is made, it's recorded in the blockchain and can't be altered or tampered. With this level of security, reducing the risk of fraud and chargeback, which can be a common issue with traditional payment method. For cleaning business, this means fewer dispute over payment and a more secure way to handle financial transaction. For homeowner, it ensures that their personal and financial information remain safe. Okay, and the next thing is flexibility for cleaning service professional or you can say providers. Okay, let's not forget that cryptocurrency offer flexibility for the cleaning business themselves. Many cleaning companies, especially small or independent ones, face difficulty with cash flow. The wait time for traditional payment to clear can delay their ability to pay workers, buy supplies or cover the operation expenses. Cryptocurrency could help speed up this process and make fund more accessible for business owner. With cryptocurrency, a cleaning company can receive payments in real time, ensuring they have the cash flow they need to keep things running smoothly. This is especially important for business with limit operating capital or those that rely on constant cash flow to manage day-to-day operations. Okay, now the future of home cleaning and cryptocurrency. While the concept in the home cleaning industry might seem futuristic, it's not so far out of reach. In fact, the potential for growth is significant. As more people become comfortable with digital currency, the demand of business to adopt cryptocurrency as a payment option will only increase. Home cleaning business that embrace this technology early could position themselves as leader in an evolving market. They'll be able to attack tech savvy client increase efficiency of offer innovative new way to manage payment and rewards. Okay, now, so will cryptocurrency change the way we hire cleaners and pay for cleaning services? It's certainly a possibility, from faster transaction and better international access to increased trust and new reward system. Cryptocurrency offer many exciting opportunity for both customer and business as the technology continues to develop and gain mainstream accessibility. The home cleaning industry could be one of the many sectors to benefit from its advantage. One thing for sure, the future of home cleaning looks bright and digital. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of cryptocurrency and the home cleaning industry. Who knows, the next time you'll book a cleaner, you might just pay with digital currency. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video is very helpful for you. Okay, please make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, because we are very close to complete 2000 YouTube subscriber. And please make sure to follow Instagram account. So thank you so much for watching the